Just saying mistakes were made.
It's a little bit how you don't.
Yeah.
Because I paid for 4 laundry detergents and only used 2.
We found kittens. It's a wonderful day at Disney. And what are we gonna go do?
Laundry.
Wash clothes. Well, if you don't have laundry basket, you just use your suitcase. So we're gonna go find the.
Actually, it's probably easier because.
Yeah, it actually probably is because you can roll it instead of carrying it because you got to carry it.
I usually bring a laundry bag.
Yeah. So we're gonna go find. I think by every pool there's a laundry where the laundry is. Now I didn't know that my first day here, and I walked all the way to the opposite end of the Pop Century to do my laundry.
How'd you know to go there?
Well, because we had been there before.
Oh, okay.
And so I knew it was there, but then I looked at a map and I couldn't find any laundry but that one on the map.
You don't usually.
So, just saying mistakes were made.
It's not a mistake.
So we're gonna leave it, and we're gonna go wash our clothes. So when I looked at the map,
I want to see the map.
like this is.
This is laundry.
Yeah, this right here.
The washer.
Yeah, but
So
when
there's
I only
laundry?
saw that one.
There's laundry.
That's the
here,
only one I found.
And there's laundry here.
Okay.
So from our room, we could either go to
Yeah.
this one or this one. But if we're wanting to get food,
Yeah.
usually if we're taking a nap, I'll go to this one.
Okay. Well,
Doesn't matter.
now you know.
Doesn't matter.
Now I know. We found kittens. Yeah, it's like 2 or 3 of them, huh? We found kittens at Pop Century. Oh, there's the mom. Yep.
That's one I've never seen.
I've seen rabbits, lizards,
And I knew there were
snakes.
cats. I knew there were cats around.
Yeah, I thought they kept cats around to keep the mice away. Huh. Well, there you go. We found our laundry, and this place is busy.
Oh man, we're not eating.
Maybe we'll have to go to another one. But you can look on the app and tell how many dryers are open and washers are open. Yeah, it's weird.
Think I gotta buy more than one.
Well, that's not cool. Yeah, good thing we gotta buy more than one. All the way to the end.
Oh, you going?
Yeah.
Do you get it walking?
Yeah, I did.
Just gonna think about it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's still.
It's gonna do it again.
Yeah. You only need 2, huh?
No, I think I need 3. But I'm scared the other one's gonna get stuck
Yeah.
too.
Well, it's a chance you gotta take just to get 2. Got a debacle here. Is it going to do it? Oh, come on. Keeps getting caught.
No, it's stuck too.
Alright. Oh well.
Somebody else has got stuff
Yeah. Yeah. You can scan this with your smartphone to use it, or you can download the app. Takes about 28 minutes. Yeah, the dryers are a lot bigger bigger than the washers. Yeah. So we did learn you can use 1 dryer for 2 washes.
Well, it depends on how full you're.
Yeah, it depends on how full it is. And that's how you wash laundry at Pop Century.
Well, actually, it's a little bit how you don't.
Yeah.
Because I paid for 4 laundry detergents and only used 2.
That's how you don't wash laundry at Pop Century.
Example of how to not to.
Yeah, how not to do it.